In today's video, we are going to show you how to get your ID.me account fully verified, especially if you need to access government benefits, unemployment services, or social security services. This verification process is required. Now, one of the easiest way to trigger the verification process is by going directly to a government website that uses ID.me for login. For example, you can visit the Social Security admin website at www.ssa.gov because many government sites like unemployment portals, IRS services, or SSA require a fully verified ID.me account to continue. And of course, once you are on the site, I want you to click the sign in button, and there should be an option for you to sign in with ID.me. All you have to do is click the OK button, and you should be forwarded to the ID.me official website and log in using your credentials. Now, if this is your first time here in ID.me, you can simply click the Create a Wallet, but since I have already an account, I just have to click the Continue button and log in using your credentials. Now, from here, you have two options to fully verify your account with ID.me going to the SSA. Number one option is the self-service. It would take 5 to 10 minutes. You need to upload all the requirements. And then the second option is the video call, wherein you just have to upload a driver's license, but it requires a video call. So if you want the self-service, just click the Continue button. And then, of course, from here, follow the on-screen instructions. You have like steps 1 to 5. And after that, you should be able to fully verify your account, and ID.me will redirect you back to the Social Security admin website. Of course, you will be now logged in and able to access your Social Security services securely. Now, after doing that, another option that you can do is go back to your main account on ID.me. And then I want you to hover to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon. And then on the drop-down menu, I want you to click the My Wallet. This is where all your identity verifications are stored. Now, one option that you can check to make sure that your account is fully verified, go to the section that says My IDs. If you see active ID, that means your identity has been successfully verified. If it says inactive IDs, your verification is still pending or needs further review. That's the fastest way to confirm your verification status. Another option that you can do is double check your account by going to the Sign In and Security. I want you to hover to the Privacy section, and then you may notice here, if you update your address, the changes will take immediately. If you update your name, ID.me staff will need to re-verify your identity using new or previously submitted documents. Remember, the name updates can take up to 3 days to process, so if you recently changed your name and ID shows inactive, that could be the reason. All I have to do is click the Update that information so that ID.me will re-verify your identity, and you should be able to receive a confirmation email, which is a good indicator that your ID.me account is fully verified. And basically, that's how you get your ID.me account fully verified. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.